Welcome, aspirants. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Eternal Nursing Education. होप आप लोग सब अपनी अपनी लाइफ में स्वस्थ होंगे, व्यस्त होंगे और अपने पढ़ाई में एकदम मस्त होंगे. ठीक है. So today we are gonna study a very short topic but a very important topic, क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारे चीज़ें जिस टॉपिक के बारे में आपको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. ठीक है, किसी को कन्फ्यूजन्स रहते हैं कि ये क्या होगा, वो उसका वैल्यू क्या होगा. ठीक है, तो आज आई होप दैट ऑल योर डाउट्स गोना क्लियर. ठीक है, so today's topic is the topic for today is a very short topic but a very important topic, that is rule of 9. ठीक है, rule of 9 it is very familiar topic to all. हम सबको पता है ये एक important topic है जो एग्जाम्स में कई बार कैलकुलेशन बेसिस पे आपको पूछे जाते हैं. यू नीड टू आंसर दैट. ठीक है, बट हम वैल्यूज भूल जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो आज we'll collect all those details about it and we'll study how to calculate, okay, how to use rule of 9 and how to understand it. Okay, so first thing is you need to understand that rule of 9 is used. क्यों यूज किया जाता है? Rule of 9 is used to calculate the percentage of burns. To calculate the percentage of burns. आपका टोटल कितना बॉडी सरफेस एरिया इज बर्न. ओके, दैट यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी केसेस हो, हम सब ने एक मूवी देखी है. ओके, वी आर आई थिंक यू हैव वॉच्ड द मूवी विवाह. ओके, दैट इज अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल बेस्ड एंड marriage theme based movie. Okay, played by your Amrita Rao and Shahid Kapoor. Okay, you will all know that. हाँ, मूवी सबको याद रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या होता है ना, as you all know, एक tragedy happens in that movie that the heroine, okay, the Amrita Rao, she is burnt actually, okay, by some एक iron का rod ऊपर से कुछ fell over her and she gets burnt. So according to doctor, more than 60% of the body surface area is burnt. How did the doctor calculated that this much percentage of the body surface area is burned? How? So today we're gonna study that we will be calculating that percentage of body surface area burns using this formula, rule of 9. ठीक है? So this is a very helpful formula. It will be helpful for you all to understand how much percentage to calculate, which percentage is there, how much you have to calculate, and how much percentage of the body surface area is burned basically. ठीक है? So let's start. Okay. Can you see this picture? This is the picture for today. Okay. So this is the adult. Okay. So this is the adult and this is for a child. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो देखो, जो एडल्ट होते हैं, ठीक है, उनका जो है हमारा जो हम लोग जो कैलकुलेट करने वाले हैं बेस्ड ऑन योर फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी एंड बैक पोर्शन ऑफ योर बॉडी, anterior portions of the body and posterior portions of the body, both will be calculated because burn happens to both the regions. Okay, both your anterior part also and posterior part also. Am I clear? Yes. So for an adult, first of all we are studying adult. Okay, तो adult का क्या होता है ना, in adult, okay, how you are calculating, मान लो if a person, okay, his only front part means anterior portion is burnt. Okay, and other than that कोई other part burn नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, only anterior portions of the body is burnt. Okay, that means how we will calculate it, that is only front part is calculated as 18%. Okay, anterior chest आपका कितना है, that it is 18%. Okay, means if only anterior portion is getting burned, that you will be saying that 18% of the body is burned, that is the anterior chest portion. If anterior portion plus posterior portion, जो person का जो back है, that is also burnt, अगर आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ से if the person is burned, both sides anterior and posterior, then if posterior chest is also included, posterior chest का value है, that is also 18. So this back is again, see, this back is 18%. Okay, can you see this? This is 18%. Okay, so it is again 18%. ठीक है, you need to remember the values. आगे भी 18, पोस्टीरियर पोर्शंस के लिए भी 80, आई मीन एंटीरियर पोर्शंस भी 18 एंड posterior portions be 18. So if the upper part of the body, if a question will be asked to you that the upper part of the body is burnt, that is specifically mentioned both the anterior and posterior portions of the back. That means total 36% of the body is burnt. Okay, total 36% of the body is burnt. Okay, so I'll have to write it just a second. Okay, so total 36% of the body is burnt. So front is 18 and posterior portion is 18. 18, 18, 36. Okay, then comes the hand. Okay, hand portion for both anterior and posterior. Both it is for 9. Okay, if the part is for anterior hand. Okay, जो आगे वाला हाथ, ठीक है, दिस पोर्शन, ओके, दिस बेसिकली, ठीक है, ये आगे रहता है हमारा ना. ओके, so this is the anterior portion. So the anterior portion is 4.9. okay, anterior portion जो है 4 point means 4.5. okay, basically 4.5% or 4.5%. okay, just a second, I am writing it here. okay, so आपका जो हमारा जो anterior hand that is your 4.5%, 4.5 और 4.5 जो भी बोल सकते हो. ठीक है, क्लियर. सो आई एम जस्ट ओके, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस ना, आपका जो एंटीरियर हैंड, ओके, द एंटीरियर हैंड इज कैरिंग योर 4.5% एंड सो एंटीरियर हैंड इज योर 4.5 एंड बैक, ये जो आपका जो बैक ऑफ द हैंड, ठीक है, द बैक ऑफ द हैंड इज 4.5. दैट मीन्स ओनली द आर्म कैरीज, only the arm, anterior portion is 4.5% and posterior arm means पीछे वाला, ठीक है, that is posterior arm is 4.5. means each hand, एक hand carries 9%. am I clear? ठीक है. So likewise, your anterior chest is 18% and posterior chest is again 18%. Okay. Similarly, your anterior hand is 4.9 and your 4.5 and your posterior hand is also 4.5. So total hand is 9%. Okay. You're both including your anterior and posterior. Okay, that is total 9%. Each arm, left arm is also 9%. and right arm is also 9%. ठीक है. If question will be asked that a person has come to, a patient has come to, you're a nurse in your emergency department and the patient has come to you in a late night and both the arms are being burnt. Okay, both the arms are being burnt. So how will you calculate the total body surface area burnt? Okay, so you have to calculate 4.5, 4.5, 9, 4.5, 4.5, 9. Means each hand 9%. If both the hands are being burned, then 9% plus 9%, that is 18%. Okay, and if the chest is also included, you have to check whether it is anterior or posterior. Anterior chest is again 18% and posterior is 18%. 18, 18, 36 and this 18. Okay, 18 plus 36, you have to make your measurements. Okay, am I clear? Yes, this only the picture says. Okay, that is the hand is your 9%. Hand is 9%, both the hand 99%. Okay, after that it comes for your legs. Okay, likewise your chest has got, anterior chest is 18 and posterior back is your posterior back is your 18. Similarly, your legs also, see, each leg 18%. Okay, just you can see in the picture also, it is 18% for each. Yes, okay. That means anterior leg is 9%, posterior leg is again 9%. Both is equal to total each leg carries of 18. Okay, so if each leg is 18, अगर एक पैर अगर 18 है तो both means both the legs are total 18 36%. Am I clear for all of you? ठीक है, means how you will remember that for a patient means for a, okay, let's consider it. Okay, sorry, my diagram. Okay, so this is the person. Okay, so how you remember that the front part, anterior portion is 18%, anterior chest. Okay, and posterior chest पीछे वाला, ठीक है, posterior chest पीछे वाला, that is also 18%. Yes, each leg is carrying 18%. So this is 18% and this is also 18%. Yes, hand, as I told you, each arm carries 9%. So this is 9% and this is also 9%. ठीक है? Yes, and the genitalia portion, that is 1%. Consider as 1%. Okay, so this is for an adult. याद रहेगा ना? ठीक है? Anterior portion 18%, posterior portion 18% of your chest and back. Okay, then each arm is your 9%. That means anterior arm 4.5, posterior arm 4.5. Okay, similarly this also means anterior portion, okay, that is a 4.5 and posterior portion is again 4.5. So 9, 9, 18, 18. Okay, and each leg carries 18%, 18%, and the genitalia portion is your again 1%. ठीक है, this is the total surface area. Now if you will be question will be asked that a person has come to you and the portion the upper half of the body is completely burnt. Okay, only the upper half, lower half is completely all right, the person is not having any problem. So how you will calculate? Upper half में क्या क्या आता है? Both the arms, okay, upper extremities and front and back. Okay, so upper extremities hands means both the upper extremities hands, left hand and right hand, that means 9%, 9%, 18%. Okay, 9% plus 9%, ये किसके लिए है? Both the arms. Okay, both the arms, because total first upper half of your body is burnt, so both the arms उसमें आ गए and your anterior chest and posterior chest 18% plus 18%. ठीक है, तो अगर 18%, 18%, this is a 36%. So total, ठीक है, 18% plus 36%, how much it is you can calculate, and the final answer is that much percentage of your body is burned. Okay, this way you can calculate it out. Okay, जितना भी, अब क्योंकि हमें सब सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स की वैल्यूज पता चल चुके हैं, this is that person, this is that person, so you have to sum up all those percentages and then you have to sum up into a value that will be the total body surface area that is burnt for you. Okay, similarly it comes with a child also. Children में क्या होता है ना, almost everything is same but in some context it is a bit different. Okay, one more thing, for the adult's face it is 9% and in a child it is 18%. Okay, for adult's face, अगर face burnt होता है then we are calculating it as a 9%. Hands 9, both the hands 9, 9, face 9. Okay, yes, and upper chest, upper anterior chest and posterior chest is 18 and 18. Okay, and genitalia is 1%. Yes, for the adult, and for the child it is double the face. Okay, for the child it is 18%, you need to remember it. Okay, वो 18% होता है, and back जो है means anterior chest and posterior chest is same for both adult and child, दोनों के लिए same है. Adult में भी 18% 18% आता है and for the child also 18% and 18%. Okay, तो child में total sum up में face is 18%, anterior chest is 18%, back is 18%. But in an adult, face is 9%, anterior portion is 18% and back portion is 18%. Yes, और हाँ, एक और सिमिलैरिटी क्या है, बोथ द आर्म्स फॉर द एडल्ट एंड चाइल्ड इज 9%. ईच आर्म कैरीज 9%, 9%. For the child also, each arm carries 9%, 9%. Yes, only difference is that is the limbs, the lower limbs of the child is 14% and 14% because the lower limbs are being shorter from the miss adult. Adult से जो होते हैं ना, छोटे बच्चों की जो एक्सट्रीमिटीज होते हैं वो छोटे होते हैं, तो ठीक है, इसलिए हमने 14% 14% रखा है. Am I clear? Yes. तो आप ऐसे याद जेनिटालिया फॉर बोथ एडल्ट हो या चाइल्ड हो 1% ही लिया जाता है. ठीक है, तो लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटीज के लिए इन अ चाइल्ड इट इज 14% एंड 14%. Based on that, you can calculate. So, okay, for example, I'm giving you a question. Okay, a child has come to you and both the limbs, including the genitalia, is burned. Calculate the total body surface area burned. Can you calculate it? This is a question. Can you calculate it? Of course, we can calculate it. So, as you know, each limb of a child is equal to 14%. अभी पढ़ा हमने. Yes. So, both the limbs. Yes. So, both the limbs. Therefore, both the limbs is equal to, both the limbs कितने हुए? 14% plus 14%. How much it is? 28%. Including the genitalia is also burned. That is 1% means 29%. So TBSA, that is the total body surface area burned in a child, is equal to 29%. ठीक है? Am I clear till this? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? ठीक है? Yes. In this way, you are going to calculate. You just need to remember the percentage each body parts. Let's sum up again. Yes, adults may, the face it is only 9% and it is double in case of a child, that is 18% for a child. Adult may both the arms, left arm 9%, right arm 9%. Child may be left arm 9% and right arm 9%. Okay. Yes. Chest. Okay, in your anterior chest for a means adult, okay, that is 18% and posterior back is also 18%. Same in a child also. Anterior chest is 18% and posterior back is 18%. Yes, the genitalia is also same. The only difference is the lower extremities of a child, जो कि 14% for the left extremity and right extremity 14%. And in an adult, that is 18% in the for the left extremity, 18% also in the right extremity. सिर्फ फेशियल डिफरेंस है, बच्चे में जो होता है वो डबल होता है, 9 होते हैं बड़े में और 18 होते हैं छोटे में. और लोअर लिम्स क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों के छोटे होते हैं, लेंथ ऑफ द लोअर लिम्स, ओके, दैट इज 14% and 14%. Yes, this way you can remember the values and you can use it in calculation of your, अभी आपको कोई सा भी क्वेश्चन हो, कैसा भी क्वेश्चन हो, anterior posterior कुछ भी बोल दे, you should not get confused. Anterior hand is 4.5 for adults. Yes, as similarly goes with the child also. So आपको कोई सा भी क्वेश्चन दे दे, you can calculate in this basis. Okay, that is your rule of 9. So rule of 9, that is this is the total, this is the this diagram, you know, it represents the total rule of 9 for adults as well as the children. Yes, तो आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं टोटल बॉडी सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. Okay, so when we'll be studying burn, no, that time, you know, question will be asked that calculate the कितना फ्लूइड चढ़ाना पड़ेगा. So as you all know, जब person gets burned, no, the immediate therapy is fluid replacement therapy. So fluid is also being calculated like this. ठीक है, अब fluid का भी calculation करना पड़ता है. So how much body surface area is burned? Okay, fluid देने के लिए, fluid calculate करने के लिए आपको total body surface area burned पता होना चाहिए. So in this way you can find out the total body surface area burned. अभी आप बता सकते हो कि आपकी जो पूनम थी उसमें जो विवाह फिल्म में कितनी जली थी. If you do you know that? Okay, so kindly mention in the comment section. Even I want to know that how much you have understood about it. Okay, so if you are having any doubts regarding it, Ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering you all your doubts if you're having anything. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe our channel. Okay, and keep loving us. Thank you. Have a good day.